In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this really awesome freeze frame intro. So once you've launched Adobe Premiere Pro and you have your footage ready to go, we want to go ahead and find the point of the video that we want to create this freeze frame effect on. So once you've found that, press C on your keyboard and create a cut in the video. Press right and go up to Insert Frame Hold Segment. Now this will generate a freeze frame in the middle of your footage, and this is what we're going to do the effect on. So from here, we'll pull the freeze frame up to video layer 2. We'll go into the opacity tab, create a brand new mask, and we'll draw a mask around ourselves or the person in the video. Now once you've completed that, you want to duplicate that freeze frame layer, pull that onto video layer 1, and we'll just delete that mask from video layer 1. Now the next step is to go into the effects tab and we'll search for gradient, and this will launch up the 4-color gradient option, and we'll just drag that onto video layer 1. Now as you can see, this will generate 4 different colors, and you can go into each one of these different settings and you can change the color of this gradient to whatever you like. But for now, I'm just going to go down to the blend option and I'm going to pull the blend up to 600%, and then I'll change the blending mode of this gradient effect to add. This means that we just get a little bit of color on that freeze frame, and it's just going to really help the freeze frame effect to stand out from the original video. Now from here, we'll go up to the masked out layer, so that's the layer of yourself. We'll scroll to the very beginning, create a brand new keyframe on position and scale and rotation. We'll scroll to the very end, do the same thing. And then in the middle, so in between the first keyframe and the last keyframe, we're going to increase the scale and the rotation just to add a little bit of movement. Now take your time to get this looking right. Make sure you add some movement to this so that it really stands out. And then as soon as you've completed this, we need to go ahead and generate some new text. So we'll go up to File, New, Legacy Title, and inside of the title window, we'll press the T and type out the name or the title or whatever you want to put. And we'll just change the font size and the color. And then inside the text color, I'm going to change this to the color of the shirt just so that it matches up with the shot. And we'll drag this text layer on top of that footage. So we'll drag that on top of both of those freeze frames. And then we need to create some keyframes so that this text wipes in and wipes straight back out of this effect. So at the start and the end of that text layer, we'll create a brand new keyframe on position. Then at the very beginning, we'll pull this across so that the text leaves the frame. And at the very end, we'll do the same thing again. We'll pull the position across so that the text leaves the frame. But I want to add a little bit of bounce to add some character to this. So in between the first set of keyframes, I'm going to pull the position of this text over to the left to add a nice little bit of bounce to this effect. And there you go, with that text animation now complete. That is the freeze frame animation effect now complete. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there. And also, don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.